So I was just in the office filing, and Miranda was very busy out here in the living room making a gingerbread house. Let's take a tour. Here we go. Here is Miranda's gingerbread house that she made. She has it very well decorated with all sorts of toys and blocks and noodles.
Here, can I see, Mommy?
Can you tell us about your gingerbread house?
Well, everything is all different stuff in it. There can in a musky, like, everything that it needs to do. Like these that must the noodles are kind of like they're blue and they are kind of like it must. It then happens that it must not really go. But I don't think it's trying to be.
Miranda, can you smile and wave? Wave.